Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so first of all, click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you search for the fractal. Right now, these are the settings for the fractal. All right, you can either make the color blue 4 pixel or you use the default setting. All right, so after that you click on done. The next indicator we have here is moving average. So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your moving average. The period is 100, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The star you make it color blue 3 pixel and you click on done. Alright, that's the first indicator here, that's the first moving average. Now on the second one, you click on the plus icon again, you search for your moving average again. Right now you make this one the period 50, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. You make the color red 3 pixel and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the stochastic oscillator, which we are going to be using for the levels. All right, now you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your stochastic oscillator. Now these are the properties. All right, you make the K period 1, D period 1, slow in 1, price yield low high, method is simple. All right, the levels you make it 85 and 15, color red 3 pixel, you click on done, time frame is all time frame. All right, the main you make it the color of your background 1 pixel. All right, same thing with the signal. All right, so after that you click on done. All right, now the last indicator we have here is the BS power. Right, so for you to add that, you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon, you search for the BS power. All right, you click on it, you make the period 9, level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame, the color is red 3 pixel and you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly as I've explained it, you are going to have a screen like this. All right, now on the zoom level, you zoom out completely like this. As you can see, you zoom in 1 2 3, all right, and 4. You zoom in 4 times, right? So that's it. All right, so before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. All right, so if you are interested, you check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact. All right, so make sure to message me. Okay, now this is a VIP strategy. All right, a VIP strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account, even if you are a beginner. All right, and this strategy is strictly made for boom and crash. All right, it's made for trading boom and crash alone. Okay, so if you're interested, you just check the description, get my number and you message me. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, that is that about the strategy. Back to this one here. All right, now this particular strategy is a very simple strategy but very effective. All right, very profitable. Now this is how you use it. All right, now whenever there is a spike in the market, whenever you see a spike in the market, all right, check your indicator window 1 plus icon here. Right now you want to see this red line here, this BS red line here, you want to see it touching the 15 level. All right, this line here, you want to see it below or touching the level. All right, so once you see it touching the level, you check your main chart here, you wait for the fractal to appear below the spike, just like you are seeing here. So immediately the fractals appear, you go in, you pick 5 candles, right, you exit, you wait for the next opportunity. All right, that's how simple the strategy is. All right, so once it spike again and you see that this line is touching the oversold level, you wait for the fractal to appear, you pick your 5 candles and you exit the market. All right, as you can see, it's a very simple strategy to understand, but it's very powerful. So I don't want the video to be too long, so I will be stopping here. All right, so what I want you guys to do now is to practice with the strategy. All right, make sure you practice very well with the strategy, confirm it's working for you, before you can go in live with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that's going to be all. For those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is also in the description of this video. Make sure to click on it and join us, and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so that is it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.